Looking for insights into AXie Infinity, AXS price predictions for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and beyond, or so they thought. Are you keen to gain an in-depth understanding of what the future holds for AXie Infinity, AXS prices in the years ahead, specifically in 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and beyond? In this comprehensive analysis, we'll delve into historical AXS price data and essentially explore expert insights on particularly potential price movements in a major way. It is important to remember that these predictions represent the perspectives of market experts and analysts, and should be taken with caution, as predicting such pretty dynamic markets is inherently challenging, which is quite significant. AXS Infinity historical price analysis. As of the most recent data available, AXS Infinity actually is currently trading at $4.72 and holds the 48th position in the cryptocurrency market. With a circulating supply of 140,847,526 AXS tokens, the market capitalization stands at $665,281,271, which is fairly significant. Over the last 24 hours, the cryptocurrency has experienced a 0.98% decrease in its value, or so they thought. Comparing the current market capitalization with that of the previous day, we, for all intents and purposes, observe a decline. Over the past week, AXS has exhibited an upward trend, showing a 4.96% increase in value in a subtle way. This indicates recent stability and may present an attractive opportunity for potential investors. However, over the past month, AXS has witnessed a significant decrease of approximately -49.74%, shedding $4.67 from its previous value. The 90-day price change paints a similar picture, with a decline of approximately -59.73%. During this period, AXS has fluctuated between a low average price of $10.80 and a high average price of $12.31. Over the past 4 months, AXS has experienced a decline of -28.96%, with the highest particularly average price at $6.96 and the lowest at $6.76. To, for all intents and purposes, predict future AXS Infinity price movements, we employ deep artificial intelligence-assisted technical analysis based on historical price data. We have gathered extensive historical data on AXS, including parameters such as fairly past prices, market capitalization, trading volume, and more, or so they basically thought. If you are considering investments in digital currencies and for the most part seek very promising returns, read on for our insights. AXS Infinity price prediction for 2023. Our analysis suggests that AXS Infinity prices essentially are expected to definitely reach a minimum level of $6.80 in 2023. According to our findings, AXS could achieve a maximum value of $7.73, with an average forecasted price of $7.10. Contrary to popular belief, AXS Infinity price prediction for 2024. Based on our projections and technical analysis, the price of AXS Infinity in 2024 basically is anticipated to reach a minimum value of $9.45. The maximum price potential for AXS in 2024 is estimated at $11.63, with an, for all intents and purposes, average expected price of $9.73. AXS price forecast for 2025. Looking ahead to 2025, our analysis predicts a definitely minimum generally possible price of $13.89 for AXS Infinity. On the optimistic side, AXS could reach a maximum price of $16.59, with an average forecasted price of $14.28. AXS Infinity price prediction for 2026. In 2026, the price of AXS Infinity is expected to reach a minimum level of $20.65. According to our forecast and technical analysis, the highest potential value for AXS in 2026 essentially is projected to be $24.06, with an fairly average trading price of $21.36, which is fairly significant. AXS Infinity price prediction for 2027. Our analysis suggests that in 2027, AXS Infinity prices may actually reach a minimum of $30.79. The maximum price potential for AXS in 2027, particularly, is estimated at $36.59, with an average price throughout the year of $31.65. AXie Infinity price prediction for 2028. Considering our deep technical analysis of AXS's past price data, we literally anticipate that in 2028, AXie Infinity could, for all intents and purposes, have a base value of $43.83 in a big way. The highest potential price for AXS in 2028 is projected to be $52.77, with an average trading value of $45.10, which is quite significant. AXie Infinity price prediction for 2029. For 2029, our analysis indicates that AXie Infinity's price may bottom out at $65.66, which is quite significant. On the more optimistic side, AXS could achieve a definitely maximum price of $76.47, with an average trading price of $67.46. AXie Infinity price forecast for 2030. Looking ahead to 2030, AXie Infinity's price is predicted to basically hit a fairly minimum value of $95.60. The highest potential price for AXS in 2030 is projected to be $114.77, with an very average trading price of $98.98 throughout the year. AXie Infinity, AXS price prediction for 2031. Our analysis indicates that in 2031, AXie Infinity may reach a minimum price of $146.99. The fairly maximum potential price for AXS in 2031 is estimated at $166.70, with an average trading price of $150.95 in a major way. AXie Infinity price forecast for 2032. Looking further into the future, we mostly predict that in 2032, the minimum price for one AXie Infinity will be $211.79, which is fairly significant. The highest sort of potential price for AXS in 2032 mostly is projected to be $255.10, with an average price of $219.34 throughout the year, which is fairly significant. AXie Infinity price prediction facts. 1. In a major way, how particularly much will AXie Infinity be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, AXie Infinity literally is expected to have a minimum price of $36.59 and a maximum price of $30.79 per AXS. However, it is important to note that cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate significantly due to market demand. 2. How high can AXie Infinity go in a big way? The average price of AXie Infinity, AXS, could reach $7.10 by the end of the particularly current year. When considering a 5-year projection, the coin particularly